Good morning, everyone. I am Kajal ma'am and I will conduct today's English class. Before starting the class, mark your attendance and submit. So, all set for the day? I think so. You all are ready. In the last class, we have seen waste can be quite useful. It can be reduced, recycled or reused. We can use waste materials to make decorative items. Children, nothing is waste. It depends how we use it. Now tell me some of the things which are thrown away at home or school. There are many things such as papers, cardboards, used ball pens, pencils, plastic bottles, ice cream sticks, CDs, etc. You can use all these things to make pencil stands, wall hangings, bird feeders, greeting cards, flower pots, and many things we can make out of waste. Now, let us find out how waste can be useful from the story Wonderful Waste. Open page 10 of your textbook. I will read the first paragraph and then explain it to you. Once, the Maharaja of Travancore ordered a grand dinner in his palace. In the afternoon, before the dinner, the Maharaja entered the kitchen to survey the dishes that had been prepared for the feast. Children, as you know, Travancore is a place in Kerala. Once, the king of Travancore invited many guests at his palace for the grand dinner. In the afternoon, he was inspecting all the arrangements in the palace. When he entered the kitchen, he saw different types of dishes prepared by the cook for the dinner. The king was very happy to see all the delicious dishes. The cook had made perfect dishes for the feast. Now, two new words are survey. Look closely or examine. Survey. Look closely or examine. A person who does a survey is called a surveyor. A person who does survey is called a surveyor. In our school, many guests come to observe. They are also called as surveyor. At your home also, you must have seen a surveyor seeking information about the health condition of your family members for COVID-19. So this survey is called as health survey. Survey involves asking people for information through questionnaire. The next word is feast. Feast is a huge, delicious meal that is served at a party or celebration. Feast is a huge, delicious meal that is served at a party or celebration. So children, when you go for party or any celebration, you should not waste the food. Now, I will read the next paragraph. What are you going to do with those vegetable scraps? He asked the cook, pointing to the baskets of scraps near the cook. The cook replied, "They are waste. We will throw them away." Now, cook had made many dishes for the feast using different vegetables. The useful part of vegetables was used and the peels of vegetables were lying in the basket. When Maharaja saw it, he asked the cook, "What is it?" The cook replied, "Those are vegetable scraps." The king asked, "What are you going to do with those scraps?" The cook was surprised to hear it. He replied saying that he is going to throw them away since it is a waste used. The meaning of scraps is a small piece or amount of something, especially one that is left over after the great part has been used. I repeat, scrap, a small piece or amount of something, especially one that is left over after the greater part has been used. Children, do you remember 3 R's of waste management? What are the 3 R's of waste management? 3 R's of the waste management are recycle, reduce, reuse. Reduce means to make something become smaller in size, amount, degree, importance, etc. I repeat, reduce means to make something become smaller in size, amount, degree, importance, etc. Recycle means convert waste into reusable material. Recycle means convert waste into reusable material. Reuse means use again. Reuse means use again. Children, do you know there is one more R? And what is that? That is refuse. So, refuse means to say no. So, you should not use plastic bags. Instead of plastic bag, you have to use the bag which is made out of cloth. Now, let's see in the next class what the cook is going to do with the vegetable scraps. Is he going to reduce, recycle or reuse it? How are the vegetable scraps used effectively? Before leaving the class, let's recap the new words along with its meanings. Survey, look closely or examine. Feast is a huge, delicious meal that is served at a party or celebration. Scrap, a small piece or amount of something, especially one that is left over after the greater part has been used. Meet you